All these things are great for psoriasis. Okay, come through Psoriasis Honey with the ingredients. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Robin here. Thank you so much for joining me today. As you saw in the title, this will be an unboxing, a little bit different, but let's switch it up on some products that I got from the company Psoriasis Honey. If you are new here, I do reviews. I have psoriasis, so I'll be talking a lot about products and how they affect my skin, my sensitive skin. So if that's something that you are interested in, please go ahead and subscribe so you never miss any content from me. But if you were interested in this unboxing from the company Psoriasis Honey, please keep watching. All right, y'all. So as you can see, it's open. I'm so annoyed, y'all. I recorded this video already, right? I didn't open the box. I left it closed. I left it the exact same way it came when it was shipped to me. Didn't open it. I had my handy dandy box cutter. I opened it and everything. You couldn't see the box. So I'm like, nope, I gotta re-record this for my people, because what's the purpose if you can't see the box? Y'all don't care about that. So as you can see, it's a big old box. Came with a bunch of products. So I got the super bundle, which is the bundle that's $149.95. It comes with a ton of products. Some are duplicates, so some it did come with multiples, but most of them are their own. So we're just going to go through everything that I have here. Again, this is a company that's called Psoriasis Honey. I have done a review on them before, so I'll link that video so that you can easily go to it. And one of those products is in here. I do like that product, but this is the whole entire line. So I'm really excited to try all of these different products. We will be doing a review in later videos. I'm probably going to just start with one, which I'll tell you which one it'll be today. And then, yeah, I'll give it about 7 days and let you know how it does. But for now, let's just go over everything that came in this bundle. So jumping right in, the first thing you see is this beautiful yellow crinkled paper. When I did the unboxing, I kind of did a review / unboxing on the product that I had. It was about 3 years or so ago. One of my very first videos. This is consistent with what they had. So the packaging is very consistent with that video. You'll see they still do the yellow crinkle cut, which I think is really cool. I like it. It adds a little pop to my box. So here's what we have in our box. So first things first, we have a huge thing of body lotion. I love this. I use Curél. I'll do a review on that for you. It's I think it's the like healing or the dry skin healing. Whichever one it is, I'll link it below, but that's what I normally use. I love that product so much, and I swear by it. I've been using it since a little girl, so I'm excited to try this one and see how it does. So this is the Psoriasis Honey Body Lotion Full Body Moisturizing, and it's 16 ounces. So you get a really nice size product here. This is a lot of products in here. So that is that. Moving on, we have the Psoriasis Honey Gentle Oatmeal and Salt Soap. So I got 2 of these. These are tiny. These are 3.3 ounces solid soap bars. They do smell really good. They have a nice clean scent to them, so it's nothing too strong. I don't see any fragrance in them, but I do see lavandula oil, so I'm assuming in lavender essential oil. And they really don't give off a strong lavender scent at all. Also has coconut oil, so I am getting like the freshness of that as well. But yeah, these are the 2 soaps. Coconut oil is actually the very first ingredient, so okay. Next, we have the Psoriasis Honey Nourishing Skin Serum. This is for intense rehydration, quick absorption, and it's nutrient rich. So this is only 1 ounce. I've actually tried this before, and I do like this. Just to take, you don't really need a lot, just to take a little and like rub it over my spot. So I have Guttate psoriasis. There's different types, so we can do a video on that as well. Just to educate you on what psoriasis actually is and the different types. There's 5 different types, and I honestly feel like there's sometimes more too. But I have Guttate, and then I also have Plaque. So Guttate is when it's like the tiny little lesions like all over, like just like little spots. So this is good for that, for like spot treatments on that. This is perfect for that. All right. This is the one that I actually did a review on. I believe this was their first product when they started doing the Psoriasis Honey. So a little background, this company, I believe, started out just focusing on eczema, because I've only ever seen, prior to this, I only ever saw eczema honey. And that was like their name and everything. So they since have expanded to Psoriasis Honey. And it's funny because Psoriasis Honey is all things psoriasis, and their website is actually www.psoriasishoney.org. And then their social media handle is actually Psoriasis Honey. And then there's a separate one for Eczema Honey. So most people, well, some people I know can have both. I have had eczema spots, and then along with having psoriasis, so I really have really sensitive skin. But this is the Skin Renewing Cream. This is 4 ounces. This was the first product I ever got. And yeah, it opens right to the product. It smells good. It kind of smells like, it just smells like waxy, and I do believe that beeswax is an ingredient. So it just smells like beeswax, to be honest. But yeah, this is a product that I've tried before, and I do like it. It's kind of like the same as the Serum. I like to just spot treat and put it on certain spots, especially at night. But this says that it's nutrient rich, it's deep moisturizing, and it's itch cooling. I don't get super itchy with my psoriasis. Sometimes I do, but not too bad. If I did something to kind of irritate it, then yes. But it's not too often that mine is very itchy. All right, moving into the next thing, we have another duplicate. So this one came in a pair. This is the Oatmeal and Aloe Bath Bomb. And I actually bought another bundle maybe like a year or so ago, and I still have one of these. So I need to use this. I guess you just take a bath and throw it in. Does it say? It says directions. Fill your bathtub with warm water. Drop in the bath bomb and lie back to enjoy its goodness. Yes, please. The ingredients, of course, is baking soda, food grade baking soda, Dead Sea salt. That is an amazing, amazing ingredient, or an amazing, amazing thing for psoriasis. So I've been missing out, clearly, and I need to go ahead and use it. So I'm going to do that. It also has cocoa butter, oatmeal, honey, witch hazel, aloe, Epsom salt. I can't wait to use this and let you know how this goes. Maybe we'll do this one first. I'll let you know. All right, moving right along, we next have another thing for the bath. So somebody's trying to tell me something. But this is the Psoriasis Honey Soothing Bath Soak. And this is a mineral therapy relief. This is 16 ounces. This has pink Himalayan salt. It has Dead Sea salt. Another thing that's great for psoriasis. It has Epsom salt, aka magnesium sulfate. All these things are great for psoriasis. It looks like it has tea tree oil, lavender oil, dried flowers, calendula. It's really good for psoriasis. Okay, come through, Psoriasis Honey, with the ingredients. I actually think I have another one of these as well. I guess we'll find out. But I must be sleeping on these. So the direction says that you need to add 2 or 3 tablespoons into a bathtub or basin of warm water. Mix until dissolve, relax, and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. So this one said 15 to 20. This one said lay back and girl, enjoy your bath. I'll probably sprinkle about half of this in here. 1 to 2 tablespoons. Child, please. That's probably why my skin is sensitive now, because that goes crazy, okay? Don't y'all judge me. All right, and for our last 2, drum roll. Child, I had to make sure that I didn't show you my address this whole time. Anyway, I love y'all, but I don't want y'all to come see me. Not today, anyway. Drum roll. This is a pair, but they go together. Maybe it's not a pair. They just go together, you know? It's shampoo and conditioner. You can't have shampoo without conditioner. You can't have conditioner without shampoo. Or can you? Maybe you can. So, this is the Scalp Calming Shampoo, Scalp Calming Conditioner, both for daily use. Now, I'm not going to wash my hair every day. I don't do that. I mean, if you want to tussle, we can, but that's just not something that I do. I do, however, wash my hair once a week. So I will be implementing this into my hair care regimen when I do wash my hair. And I'll let you guys know how this works out for me as well. These are 8 ounces each. Let's see what's in them. Now, I'm going to tell you, I'm a little funny with the things that go on my hair, especially on my scalp. So, I mean, this is technically for the scalp. I'm probably just going to make sure I focus there. For the purposes of reviewing for you guys, I do kind of want to see how it changes my hair texture, if it does, or what it does to my hair texture. So, I'll use just these and let you know. But I'm a little scared. I'm not going to lie. Okay, so the directions for the shampoo. 1 to 2 pumps on a wet washcloth. Oh, or hand and massage into wet hair and scalp. Y'all use washcloths to wash your hair? Let me know in the comments below. That's new for me. This has oat seed extract, water, whole bunch of stuff I can't pronounce basically, y'all. Honey, sodium chloride, okay. And then the conditioner after shampooing. Told you shampoo goes with conditioner. After shampooing, massage a small amount into hair and scalp. Leave in for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse. Okay. It has honey, kernel oil. It has the alcohol with the C. It has glycerin. It has sodium hydroxide and a whole bunch of other things I can't pronounce. And yeah, we're going to try these. These are 8 ounces. I told y'all that, right? So I'm going to leave the link below to the actual bundle that I got, along with the Psoriasis Honey link in general, as well as their social media handle, specifically their Instagram handle. So you guys can check all of these products out for yourselves and let me know what you think. But let's see, what should we start out with? I think the easiest to start out with would be the body lotion. So I'm going to go ahead and implement this body lotion into my daily routine. And after 7 days, I will let you know, of course, with pictures, how this worked out for me. Yeah. So that's it and that's all. We're going to be reviewing this one, the lotion. And I will let you know how I like it. Use 1 to 2 pumps on hand and massage into skin. Okay, that's easy enough. I think I can do that. All right, y'all. So that is really all I had for today. I just wanted to unbox this with you. This is an amazing bundle with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 products. Of course, I said a few of them were duplicates. I think I had 2, the bath bomb and the soap bar. But everything else is on its own. Of course, shampoo goes with conditioner, but yeah. That is all I have for today. If you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up and then leave me a comment and let me know what I should try next. What should I try after the body lotion? I think we should do them one at a time so we really get a good idea of, you know, what we like and what we would reinvest in and maybe buy again. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.